What's up, everyone? My name is Caleb Dole, and this is my good stewardship presentation. I chose LifeFlight because I believe they have good stewardship. They're always looking out for the better of their patients. LifeFlight is a good tool that hospitals use to transport victims that are seriously injured. They're also referred to as the air ambulance. This provides hospitals with many benefits, being that they can get to an accident faster and return to the hospital faster, and keep the victim's health the main priority. Some of the resources and aircrafts that they mainly use helicopters as the main aircraft for LifeFlight, using to transport the nurses. They use helicopters so that they are able to land anywhere and on the roads, and they don't need a runway. They also use turboprops to transport patients from one hospital to another in a timely manner. These aircrafts, both the helicopter and the turboprops, have medical equipment on board for the patients. And then this is one of the helicopters that they use. And the last thing I wanted to talk about was LifeFlight at Memorial Hermann, which is a hospital in Houston, Texas. Memorial Hermann LifeFlight staff consists of 21 pilots, 21 flight nurses, and 18 paramedics, which have flown over 158,000 missions. This costs about $15 million in non-tax dollars, being that it is a non-profit organization. Thank y'all for watching, and if you have any questions, just make sure to leave a comment, and thank y'all for watching.